ग्रीटिंग्स एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आई एम अरीबा अब्बास और अभी तक हम लोग लेजिटिमेसी ऑफ अ चाइल्ड देख रहे थे इन अकॉर्डिंग टू मुस्लिम लॉ विद द रिलेवेंस ऑफ द रोमन लॉज एज वेल। तो अब हम लोग यहाँ पे ब्लड टेस्ट की बात करें तो ब्लड टेस्ट आर सेट टू प्रोवाइड एविडेंस फॉर डूइंग बेटर जस्टिस इन डिस्प्यूटेड क्वेश्चंस ऑफ पेटर्निटी। अब जब भी हमारे पेटर्निटी में कोई क्वेश्चनेबल अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं तो उसमें हम लोग ब्लड टेस्ट ज़रूर बोलते हैं कि ब्लड टेस्ट इज़ अ सॉर्ट ऑफ relaxation towards a questionable of paternity. Blood tests are proved towards that. Therefore, however negative in character and can either that a man cannot be a father of a given child, or he may be never that he is. In affiliation proceeding, the danger of carriage of justice is greater, as an abundant girlfriend or sordid wife is liable to be incident, and alleged putative father may be able to rely on his evidence to deny a false charge. So if certainly if a girlfriend is charging to be a father of his child, so if it is a false charge, the blood test is a sort of good evidence to prove that. Blood test may be helpful in such cases. It is being claimed that in cases where the man concerned is not the father, is above 70% chances of his paternity being negative. These tests are, however, not as useful as they appear at the first slide. The child may be illegitimate even if its blood group is compatible with the husband and wife's group. See, here it has been saying that the blood test might be helpful in the first place, but the child may be illegitimate if the blood group is compatible with the husband or the wife. Further, blood samples may be taken only with a person's consent. As such, since tests cannot prove legitimate but illegitimacy, these are against the child's interest and will generally be refused by those having custody of the child. See here, they are saying that test cannot prove legitimacy, but can illegitimacy. If the test been got negative, it is the interest generally refused by those of custody of the child who is having the custody. They are been refusing that. In several cases, the court shown recluency to accept scientific criteria of a proof. Open hostilities to orders for a blood test has been expressed in Calcutta case, where the judge observed that these tests were allowed. There would be nothing to prevent such cases becoming the battle group of except with bloody hands. Like they were in earlier cases, they were showing that they were not ready to accept the scientific methods of the proof that the child was legitimate or not. And then open hostility on order of the blood test in Calcutta case, that judge would not judge has observed that there would nothing to prevent such cases becoming the battle except the bloody hands. That those who have been done adultery would not be accepting the fact that the child is his or her or not. Now if I talk about the legitimation, that legitimation and legitimacy are quite distant. In Privy Council decision, Lord Dunell laid down the difference as under: legitimacy is the status which results from certain fact, and legitimation is the process which creates a status which does not exist before. सी, लेजिटिमेशन इज अ स्टेटस है जो प्रोवाइड करता है सर्टेन फैक्ट से, बट जो लेजिटिमेशन है वो एक प्रोसेस है जो कि पहले इंसान को नहीं मिलता है. इन अ प्रॉपर सेंस देयर इज लेजिटिमेशन अंडर द मोमेडियन लॉज. यहाँ पर एक प्रॉपर सेंस में देखा जाए तो कोई लेजिटिमेशन का प्रोसेस ही नहीं है अंडर मुस्लिम लॉ में. लेजिटिमेशन बाय सब्सिक्वेंट मैरिज इज नॉट वाइडली रिकॉग्नाइज इन द कॉमन लॉ वर्ल्ड. द लेजिटिमेशन एक्ट 1926 introduce the principle of legitimacy. Child whose parent married at any time birth after his birth. See, according as I stated earlier, मुस्लिम लॉ में कोई प्रोसीजर ही नहीं है लेजिटिमेसी का, बट सब्सिक्वेंटली लेजिटिमेसी एक्ट 1926 के अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम लोग देखें इंग्लिश लॉ में, so it's a tends the parent who had been married since the time of birth, or they have been married at the time of the conceivement of a child. Since the enactment of the Legitimacy Act 1959, legitimation operates although either or both the parents were married to the third party at the time of the child's birth, but it applies only if the father has domiciles in England at the time of the marriage. See, child कभी तभी उसका होगा जब वो लोग आइदर मैरिड टूवर्ड्स उस पे होंगे या फिर एट द टाइम ऑफ चाइल्ड के बर्थ पर बोथ द पार्टीज हैव मैरिड टू एनी अदर पर्सन. सी और जब या फिर फादर के पास डोमिसाइल हो इंग्लैंड की, तभी वो माना जाएगा. द लीगल राइट्स एंड ड्यूटी ऑफ द लेजिटिमेट person are generally speaking the same as those of a person born legitimate. A child of a valid marriage is treated legitimate provided at the time when its conception must be taken place, or if later at the time of celebration of marriage either parent or both reasonably honestly believe that the marriage was valid. See, यहाँ पर भी it is all about the acknowledgement एज इन द चाइल्ड के बर्थ के टाइम पर बोथ पेरेंट्स जो है वो मैरिड हो, या फिर कंसीवमेंट के टाइम पर वो मैरिड हो, या फिर दे बिलीव टू बी हैव अ मैरिड वैलिड मैरिज, और जब उसके पास पूरे लेजिटिमेट राइट्स एंड ड्यूटीज़ हों लेजिटिमेट चाइल्ड के पास में, तभी होंगे. अब हम लोग स्कॉटिश लॉ की बात करें तो स्कॉटिश लॉ हैज़ रिकॉग्नाइज्ड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ लेजिटिमेशन बाय सब्सिक्वेंट मैरिज फॉर सेंचुरीज, बट इट डज नॉट गिव his privilege to adulterate child. However, the Scottish Law Commission has recommended that this bar of legitimation be removed. See, स्कॉटिश लॉ में भी हम लोगों ने यही देखा है कि जो एक चाइल्ड का राइट है उसके पर्सपेक्टिव से ये लेजिटिमेशन का जो प्रोसेस है इट शुड बी रिमूव्ड. एवरी चाइल्ड शुड बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. इट इज़ अबाउट द पेरेंट्स हु हैव बीन मैरिड और नॉट इट द स्टेटस अबाउट द पेरेंट्स, नॉट अबाउट द चाइल्ड. सी, अभी तक हम लोगों ने सारे चाइल्ड के कंसेप्शंस देखे हैं कि कहाँ से उसके राइट्स जो हैं वो अराइव होते हैं. इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट द मैरिज राइट्स, एक्नॉलेजमेंट, पेरेंट्स के मेटर्नल स्टेटस पे डिपेंड करता है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द चाइल्ड ईदर वेदर इट इज़ इंग्लिश लॉ, स्कॉटिश लॉ, मोमेडियन लॉ, एक्सेट्रा. सो आई होप with all this I have covered your all aspects of the legitimacy of a child. Now further we'll discuss about the later of the Muslim law perspective of the legitimation. It is was the brief about the other country law as well. While this I hope I have been very clear. If you have any query you can comment down and ask. If you have any query please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.